Thank you so much. We had an amazing response from the international audiences from Cannes, and yesterday in London it was phenomenal. You see, when you make a film which is from your heart, and I'm not a traditionally director, I'm primarily an actor, but the story inspired me, or when it reaches the heart of the people, it's very gratifying. The kind of comments we got in Cannes and in London yesterday is fantastic. I wanted to make a film from India for the world, and I think that aim I have managed to sort of achieve because it's a universal subject. It's a subject which all of us deal with in some way or the other, but maybe ignore it because we think that it's somebody else's problem. And the whole thing is said with uh, with a with a certain amount of entertainment. To me, autism is superpower. The story of Tanvi is that, and I was very overwhelmed by the reaction of people. People were clapping in between the because there are no macho heroes who sort of are beating 12 people and the audience claps. They were clapping because the thought of the film was resonating with them, and they were crying, they were laughing at the end of the film. They didn't want to go, they were asking questions. So it's a beautiful feeling. Thank you.
And so I would also like to ask you, this is an incredible moment, of course, for Indian cinema. The last time we had a conversation, you had shared how the film had its own share of struggles. What does this recognition mean to you personally and for the for the entire team?
So I have always looked at my life. The tagline of the film is Tanvi the Great, different but no less. So I think that applies to everybody, all of us. Especially, I have applied it to my life. I came to the city of Mumbai with 37 rupees. After 3 years of struggle, I got a film. I was 27, 28, and I got a role of 70, 60, so 5-year-old man. So I've always tried to break the stereotype. That typecasting hoti hai. I did all kinds of films. I wrote books which were not about acting. The books were about motivational books. I run an acting school. I also wanted to make a film which was different but no less. Um, we are. I'm not saying it out of arrogance. I am a part of that cinema. We are. I think right now a little bankrupt about the script, and especially the Hindi cinema. We are going through a time when I think we need to introspect. So in that, the success, we'll talk about the box office when it releases on 18th of July. But the success of the film on an international platform like Cannes and then in London proves that if you do something with conviction against all odds, it is the most gratifying film and it will reach people's heart.
Oh, of course, one has read about autism, and uh, we are a little sensitized about it generally, as people. But this made me understand the qualities, the super qualities that a human being has. And I've always, believed that when God takes away one faculty, he, she, whoever God may be, gives you something so much more in return. And it's such a pleasure to, see what can be unfold in front of your eyes, her super qualities unfold. So I think it has sensitized us more and has filled our heart with a lot of empathy for children who have autism, and at the same time, there is also a sense of what do you say? We feel that these people are these children have superpowers, so we don't need to look at them with pity. But we should be proud that these kids are. We are blessed to have these kids in our lives.
There are certain films that will work in our country for our audiences, for our certain target audiences, and we should not stop making those kind of films, because those films are very important for our own culture, for our own people, and if I might use a nice Hindi word, it's our khorak in many ways. We need that nutrition of entertainment that we've grown up on over decades, and why should we abandon that? However, there are certain kinds of films with a certain tonality that is required, which I think should go to the international market so that we have the searchlights pointing towards our country. That we do what we do as we've been doing over the so many decades so beautifully well. But this is what we can do too. And for those kind of films, I think you have to understand that those international audiences need to be lured towards India.